Predictions indicate that nationwide home prices will rise 2% by the end of this year, as Maryland's home prices are already up 2.5% year to date. It's Friday, May 16th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Maryland suburb home prices rose 4.6% year to date. Southern Maryland prices are up 0.1%. The Baltimore metro area prices increased 3.4% year to date. The Mountain region home prices are up slightly, 1.8%. Properties coming soon rose 5.8% to 1,793. New listings fell this report 3% to 2,181. Homes going under contract rose this week 6.1% to 1,916. 1,210 properties sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in 10 days. Rental properties rose slightly to 2,455 for lease at $2,450 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 16th, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.